Ever wondered what the buzz about propolis in cosmetics is all about? Let's dive in. Propolis, or bee glue, is a resinous substance that bees create by mixing saliva, beeswax, and exudate gathered from tree buds and other botanical sources. This potent concoction has been in use since ancient times, with civilizations like the Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians exploiting its medicinal properties. They used it for everything from wound treatment to mummification. Fast forward to the modern era, and propolis has found a new home in the beauty industry. Its natural antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties make it an ideal ingredient in skincare products, offering a natural solution to combat acne, soothe inflamed skin, and promote healing. Not to mention it's packed with antioxidants, making it a powerful ally against aging. So propolis has a rich history, but what exactly is it made of? Propolis is a complex natural substance, packed with beneficial properties. It's a resin-like material that bees collect from the buds of poplar and cone-bearing trees. This magical substance is composed of a variety of compounds, but its most notable elements are flavonoids, phenolic acids, and esters. These compounds are the backbone of propolis, giving it its unique properties. Flavonoids, for example, are powerful antioxidants that combat free radicals, aiding in the prevention of cellular damage and promoting a youthful appearance. Phenolic acids have antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help keep your skin clear and healthy, while esters contribute to the soothing and healing properties of propolis, making it ideal for wound healing and skin repair. Moreover, propolis promotes collagen production, an essential protein for skin elasticity and strength, providing additional anti-aging benefits. With such a powerful composition, it's no surprise that propolis is a star ingredient in skincare. Propolis has found its sweet spot in the world of cosmetics. Its natural properties make it a perfect ingredient in a variety of beauty products. In creams, serums, and masks, propolis acts as a skin savior, nourishing the skin while combating acne and inflammation. Hair care products are also enriched with propolis, providing the scalp with essential nutrients and promoting healthy hair growth. Even lip care products are not left behind, with propolis playing a pivotal role in moisturizing and healing chapped lips. The right application and dosage are key to reaping the benefits of propolis. It's best to follow the instructions on the product label and start with a small amount to test for any allergic reactions. While propolis is generally safe, precautions should be taken, especially by those with bee allergies, to avoid any potential side effects. Propolis, a gift from bees, has indeed become a gift for our skin and hair, enhancing beauty with its natural goodness.